everybody, I'm Kayla and this is Naomi from the JCC and Jewish Federation of Greater New Haven. Did you say hi?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, we're ready to do our eggs, right? We're gonna check them one at a time to make sure they don't have any blood spots, right? So we're gonna crack one egg. Margarine, that's right. Scoop it in, and maybe you have a stick of butter, and that would be perfect. Add 1 cup of sugar into our bowl, and then we're going to run the mixer. Okay, so once it comes all together, we're going to get all the rest of our ingredients. So now we're gonna sift in 1.5 cups of flour. So here's 1 cup of flour. We're gonna sift it in. Ready? Woo. You are ready for spices, aren't you? Okay, you're gonna help me with spices? Yep, and we're gonna do 1. Good, help me. 1. Good. Done. And then we're gonna do half. That's the baking soda. Let's see, how much baking soda do we need? We need 1 teaspoon baking soda. Here, do you wanna use it? Let's use the 1 teaspoon. This is 1. We're gonna go in like this. Okay. That's good. Now we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, do you want to help me scoop it? Okay. Step it in, ready? Good job. Now we put the lid on. Nope, that's all we need. So now we need a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt, okay? Ready? Yep, done. Dump it. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna turn on the mixer. Watch our fingers. So we're gonna mix all those dry ingredients back in together. Okay, so thank you. While all of our stuff is mixing together, we're just gonna chop up the dates. Naomi's not gonna touch, and only our grown-ups can use the big knife to chop up our dates into nice small pieces. All right, friends, we dumped in all of our chopped dates, and then I put in 1 cup of rolled oats. I'm gonna put in another cup of rolled oats. So I'm gonna mix these up. We're gonna drop them by teaspoonfuls onto a cookie sheet, and we're gonna bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they look golden brown. I finished making our dough. I used a spoon to do drops onto our cookie sheet. So I space them evenly apart and put them in the oven at 350. And I'll check them in about 10 minutes and see how they look. All right, so it took our cookies almost 20 minutes before they got nice and brown. So we took them out, and I'm putting them all onto racks to cool. We can't wait to enjoy them together. Naomi, what are you eating? A cookie, is it good? You like it? Say thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.